पैसा प्यार से ऊपर है। मनी इज अबव लव। मनी इज अबव लव। मेरा देश सबसे पहले है। माई कंट्री इज अबव ऑल। माई कंट्री इज अबव ऑल। मैं घर से बाहर निकल रहा हूँ। आई एम गेटिंग आउट ऑफ माई होम। आई एम गेटिंग आउट ऑफ माई होम। वह दिल्ली से बाहर जा चुका है। He has gone out of Delhi. He has gone out of Delhi. हम लोग सोमवार को आएंगे। We all will come on Monday. We all will come on Monday. वो मेरे बारे में बात कर रहा है। He is talking about me. He is talking about me. उसके बारे में बात मत करो। Don't talk about him. Don't talk about him. वो तुम्हारी तरफ आ रहा था। He was coming towards you. He was coming towards you. उसकी सोच तुम्हारी सोच से ठीक उल्टी है। His thinking is opposite yours. His thinking is opposite yours. वो पक्का इसका उल्टा ही करेगा। He must do its opposite. He must do its opposite. वो पुल के नीचे था। He was under the bridge. He was under the bridge. यहाँ से बाहर निकलो। Get out of here. Get out of here. वो 2 दिन के अंदर आ रहा है। He is coming within 2 days. He is coming within 2 days. मैं तुमसे बेहतर हूँ। I am better than you. I am better than you. मैंने जिंदगी भर उसे प्यार किया। I loved him throughout my life. I loved him throughout my life. हम उससे लंबे हैं। We are taller than him. We are taller than him. मैं तुम्हारे बिना कुछ नहीं हूँ। I am nothing without you. I am nothing without you. हमने रात भर काम किया। We worked throughout the night. We worked throughout the night. उसके बिना हम अकेले हैं। We are alone without him. We are alone without him. कीमतें बढ़ रही हैं। Prices are rising up. Prices are rising up. मैं ऊपर की ओर जा रहा हूँ। I am going upwards. I am going upwards. उसने नीचे की ओर देखा। He looked downwards. He looked downwards. किताब लैपटॉप पर रखी है। The book is kept on the laptop. The book is kept on the laptop. वो मेरे खिलाफ उसे भड़का रहा है। He is provoking him against me. He is provoking him against me. क्या तुम मेरे विरोधी हो? Are you against me? Are you against me? वो हॉस्पिटल जा रहा है। He is going to hospital. He is going to hospital. मैं 5 मिनट में आ जाऊंगा. I will come within 5 minutes. I will come within 5 minutes. तुम कहाँ जाते हो? Where do you go? Where do you go? मैं कब तक तुम्हारा साथ दूंगा? How long will I support you? How long will I support you? और how long will I stand by you? How long will I stand by you? वो कभी कभी मेरे घर आता है. He sometimes comes my home. He sometimes comes my home. वो किस शहर से आया था? From which city had he come? From which city had he come? वो लड़का ऐसा क्यों सोचता है? Why does that boy think so? Why does that boy think so? उसे घर पर रहने के लिए कहा गया है. He has been told to be at home. He has been told to be at home. उसे नौकरी से क्यों निकाला गया? Why was he fired from the job? Why was he fired from the job? एक अध्यापक होने के नाते ये मेरा फर्ज है. Being a teacher, it's my duty. Being a teacher, it's my duty. वो घर पर रहना पसंद करता है. He loves being at home. He loves being at home. घर पर होने की वजह से मैं आपसे मिल पाया. I could meet you due to being at home. I could meet you due to being at home. आपका स्कूल में होना कितना मायने रखता है? How important is it for you being in school? How important is it for you being in school? आपके डांट खाने की क्या संभावना है? What is the chance of your being scolded? What is the chance of your being scolded?